Hey everyone, let's check out the Petlibro Capsule Pet Water Fountain today. So I have a Petlibro automatic feeder and I really like it. And I feel like the design of a lot of their stuff is really nice. So I decided to try this out. We've also tried other water fountains for our cat in the past, and she just didn't like it for some reason. And they were a little loud, so supposedly this one is ultra silent. Alright, so we're gonna soak this in a clean bowl for 5 minutes. Power cable. Oh, there she is. Comes with this little cleaning brush, which is nice. It is pretty quiet. Oh, here she comes. Wow. Do you like it? Well, anyway, I'll let you know how she likes it. So there is a max and min on the side that tells you when the water's running low. I do like that I can see the water level. And the manual says to replace the filter every 2 weeks and clean every 2 weeks as well. Also, something to note is that if the filter ever dries out, the water won't come through. So I got this for $20 on Prime Day, and for the price, I think it's pretty good. I love the design. I think it looks way better than other pet fountains that are out there, and it is super quiet. It does seem like it's gonna be a lot easier to clean than fountains that I've had in the past, because yeah, the edges are very round and yeah, shouldn't be a problem.